so it's been like 2 seconds or 5 minutes or so. And that space I showed you that was 2-3 inches, look at it now. It's almost up and over the curb. Like, we're talking 4 or 5 inches now. And it looks like the sun's gonna come out. But that right here, look at that car. Look at that. Look at that car, oh my god. Oh, it's stalled right there, that would have been awesome. I'm just gonna keep pegging it on the spot because this is kind of hilarious. You see the waves, the breakers coming in from that car. Here comes another one. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, Jeep. Like a Jeep makes it through, no problem. Up. It's like just about over that curb. It's over that curb now, the water. In a minute 22 in watching this, it gained, I don't know, half an inch to an inch. And this guy's still like, he's so polite. Oh, this is crazy. Look at this puddle now. And 12 inches of ground clearance in my Jeep, so I can get a little bit taller before I have to worry. But my parking spot now is flooded, so I don't know if I'm going to get out of my car here. Look at that. Oh god, look at that car. Look at him. Look at that. Holy crap. Out of this world. Alright, I'm gonna turn this back on in a minute.